Hello dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel and I'm back again with another interesting HackerRank problem. So guys, today what we are going to solve is the problem name is known as AngryProfessor. It's a very small problem. What we need to identify is the logic and how we are going to solve this. So if you see, the problem statement says that a discrete mathematics professor has a class of students. Frustrated with lack of discipline, the professor decides to cancel class if fewer than some number of students are present when class starts. Arrival times go from on time, arrival time is less than equal to 0 to arrive, arrival time greater than 0. So, this is a problem which will be part of an if block, and we'll be checking the condition that if number of students are who are coming late to a threshold value, and if that threshold value is reached, the class will be cancelled. We'll return yes, and otherwise we'll say no, the class is not cancelled. So basically, this is an interesting problem, as we always do in my videos. We first of all define an integer, string value, which will be returning as part of the method. Okay, and now here comes our for loop. So before defining a for loop, let's define a count variable, and then what we are going to do is that we are coming defining a for loop variable. In this for loop, we are going to check if the value is less than negative, then we are going to increment the counter. And when also what we are going to do is that we are going to check if, so if you see, if I'm checking if the value is less than equal to 0, we are incrementing the counter. And if I'm checking whether the count variable is equal to a threshold value, we return as a result as no, and then we break. So let's try to run the code. Something is error. Oh, it's saying you must be logged in to before we run the code. So let me log in into the website. So here I am logged in. I'm not sure why this is saying that. Let me refresh and try to run the code again. Yes, so I'm able to successfully pass the sample test case. Let's submit the code to see all other test cases are passing. Yes, so it's a easy problem. If you see, just the logic says here, if you see, the logic is just defining a variable as return, checking a counter variable, implementing the counter if the condition is matched. Otherwise, and once we are checking the counter variable to the threshold value and just return no. Okay, when number of students are there, like okay, minimum number of students are there which are to be present, and we run the code. So this is a simple problem, guys. I hope you like this problem, and do like, subscribe my channel. If you have some other mechanism with a while loop or some other which you want to test, you can test it on your own. Post your solution as a comment on my YouTube video, and we can have a discussion around it if you find my solution is not good from any point of view. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.